Welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add location on Snapchat. Let's start. At first you have to open your Snapchat app. Then you guys can take a photo by tapping on here, and after that if you tap on this icon, then you can find the search option here. After this, if you search about Google Map, then you will find this. Tap on here. In here you have to find your location. You can also search about your place in here. You just have to put your location's address. After finding your location, you just have to tap on attach to snap. Then it will be attached to your photo. Then you can share it as your story, or you guys can share it to your friends by tapping on next. Then if you want to send it to your friend, just tap on the contact and tap on here. After that it will be sent to your friend. And this is how you can add location on Snapchat app. See how easy it is. We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.